Speaking of that drone, did you
copped it.
Hey, let me tell you, I work in mysterious ways. You guys ever seen Loopers?
Yes, I love Loopers.
I didn't get married to my wife because of like years of relationship.
Right.
I got married because it's from the future and she knocked it out of the ballpark this Christmas.
Nice.
I was like, fuck it. I need to marry her. So my Christmas list is as such.
Okay.
I got this lens, this telephoto lens I was talking about earlier.
Bars.
That's God level.
So now I can take pictures of the moons, obscene pictures.
You can take pictures of the boogers of God's nose.
Yep, I can see that. So that's amazing. She got me Monopoly.
Mm-hmm.
You guys know. I'm
did you see?
Cutthroat. Come to the house. Let's play
Did you
some Monopoly.
see like 3 days ago there was a neon Monopoly on sale? It was on sale for like $5. It was like a $35 piece.
No, I ain't see that.
I'm looking for that.
You guys come to the house with some coffee, weed brownies, and Monopoly.
Okay, I'll pass on the weed brownies for now.
For now.
And the coffee and Monopoly.
July approaches.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, listen, July
Next
is
thing.
when, but I probably won't. But,
Okay.
Okay.
So
Monopoly,
there's that.
the lens.
Yes. She got me a fresh pair of Timbs.
Can't forget about the Timbs.
For a Brooklyn dude, she might as well just bought the store out.
Nah, she might as well just bought you a ring.
Real talk. That's equivalent to a wedding ring.
Yeah.
An engagement ring.
He shut my whole shit down because I walked there. We went to see Rise of Skywalker, and I had my breads on. I'm like, I think I'm king shit until he shows up with these fucking Timberlands.
I had them fresh Timbs on the rail for 2.5 hours.
I'm like, yeah, okay.
By here walking, feeling like Jay-Z. Anytime you put on Timbs, you feel like Jay-Z.
Yeah. And when you got the right type of pants on, son.
Yeah, and listen, here's a real fact of life. Never trust anyone that removes the tag from their
Oh
Timbs.
hell! If you remove that
You're
tag,
a fucking cop.
you're
You're
fed.
undercover or fed. Yes.
Nah, leave that tag.
Jews in
on
life.
there.
Jews in life. So she got me that, and finally she got me the Mavic Mini.
Bars.
So
son, he
Mavic
called.
Mini is awesome.
He called me, and I hear that shit buzzing in the back. I'm like, what the fuck is? Because I didn't know he got a drone. I didn't know. I'm like, wait, what the fuck is that? And he's indoors, so he's running his
I'm in
drone.
the fucking living room.
Yo, imagine if that shit was at your window behind you right now.
So yeah,
And he
it's
calls
wild.
you.
Son,
And this one is quieter than all the other ones. That's the
Right.
crazy part.
yeah, it was
very
pretty
quiet.
quiet, but it was definitely buzzing.
It's nice. I fucked up the propellers already
Oh god.
because I was trying to not hit the Christmas tree and I hit the window instead. But
Right.
so she got me the Fly More kit.
Mm-hmm.
So it comes with like extra propellers and
Right.
extra batteries.
Right.
Did you fix
Like,
it?
Yeah, it's easy to. It comes with the screwdriver and everything.
Uh-huh.
Like I highly advise to always buy the Fly More kit.
Right.
Like don't even because for the battery alone, it's 3 batteries it comes with. Alone, you need that.
Yeah, you good right there.
Like you made that
What's the
$100 just
runtime?
made
20 minute.
This
runtime?
one runs for about 30,
30?
28
Okay.
minutes or so.
Yeah.
Because it's lighter and smaller
Yeah.
than the other ones, you actually get that 30 minutes.
Right.
And then you get the extra propellers and you get the remote and shit so you can use the phone.
Yep.
Nice.
It
It has
nice.
a camera on it. Yes.
Yeah. That was my whole reason. I didn't fly it yet.
Son,
outside.
What the fuck are you waiting
Son,
for?
it's just so I got this app. I found this app. So I've been watching drone videos like a crackhead for the last like fucking 3 weeks. Because I like to do as much research so that when I go out,
Right.
I'm not like
Yeah, what am I doing?
I got this app called UAV, and it just in your location it gives you a bunch of shit,
Right.
and it pretty much just gives you like, nah, you ain't flying today,
You can't fly here, right.
or it'll be like, oh, this is a good day to fly, based on
Right.
like the gusts of wind,
Okay.
and a bunch of shit.
Really?
So it hasn't been like for weeks. It hasn't been good to fly.
Oh.
And then when it is good to fly, I'm like,
You're at work.
I'm going home.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So I'm probably more when the fall comes because I don't want to get crazy.
Spring.
I'm sorry. When the spring comes, I don't want to get crazy. I'm not fitting to fucking fly the shit under the Brooklyn Bridge and record. Like I want it for the photography.
Yeah,
Right.
but when you get that under the Brooklyn Bridge,
You don't need to get like thousands of feet in the air to get good shots. You only got to go like maybe 50, 60 feet up because it's a different perspective and people are going to be like, wait, what?
yeah.
You know what I mean? Like
Yeah,
that's
yeah,
the
yeah.
differentiating factor of that drone photography.
Right.
I'm not trying to fucking knock airplanes out of the sky. So,
But you will spy over some shit that you may
I
not
don't even
supposed to
know.
spy over.
and then you know what's crazy? Like perspective. I've been watching a lot of drone videos, and these dudes generally live in the countryside somewhere in Middle America. So it's usually
You can do whatever
fairly
you want.
boring.
You can't have one by me.
You can't.
I don't think
you're by the
drone by
airport.
me, yeah.
No, like it won't even take off
Right.
because it's GPS thing is built in.
Built
Wait,
in, yeah.
it won't take
No,
off?
it's a
take
no-fly zone. It won't even take off. It won't allow you to fucking to even spin it up.
Son, hack that motherfucker.
I'm sure there's ways to do it, but I mean, why? You know what I mean? I ain't trying to get locked the fuck
A child
up.
one will fly by me because it can't only go but so high. But that one he has or anything like that will not go.
Because these drones are capable of going out of your line of sight. Like, you can't even see the motherfucker. They can go that far.
Yeah.
Really?
Right. And that's against the law. Like, you can't do shit like that.
It has to be.
And then you
remain
can't,
in line of
I
sight.
think you can't go higher than 500 feet.
Right.
Motherfuckers do it all the time.
Son,
So, there's a lot to it. And it's kind of a gentleman's game at this point.
I am violating.
And there's been people that's been caught doing dumb shit that's fucked it up for the rest of the community.
Yep.
Wow.
And then this drone, the Mini, is DJI's middle finger to the FAA because anything over 250 grams, you have to register. They need to know your name, where you live.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's an aircraft.
Son, this is a security
It's not a
risk,
game.
bro.
And DJI goes, well, I'll make a drone that's 249 grams.
So hold on.
So I don't have to register it.
Right.
So let's say I'm in Best Buy, right? And you have those drones that's as big as this stand right here.
Okay.
Oh,
And
yeah.
that's just the
Those
body.
the
and then-
Phantoms.
Those are Phantom
Right.
boys, yeah.
So that drone has to be
Oh,
registered.
yeah. For sure.
Yep.
So
For
what if
sure.
I fly it before registering it?
You get locked the fuck up.
Who's going to find
There's
out?
technology to
And I
track
think
it.
no, I think there's something. There's a key you get when you register it that you need to put in the app for it to work.
Holy shit.
Son, they got the whole. It's an aircraft. It's not a joke.
Really?
It's not a joke. And this it's a lot of gray areas. Like when you make something this accessible to the public that can cause this much damage.
It
Son,
can be registered as or looked upon as a potential weapon of mass
son,
destruction.
it can be.
It could be looked at for many things, bro. That's
can
why
be.
they're trying to have the regulations the way that they are right now. And to be honest with you, they can get more aggressive than that.
They can.
Yeah.
And they can. And if I'm being honest, they should. You know what I mean? Because I'm not the one that's out here trying to push limits.
Right.
Because people get it, and what's the first thing they want to do? Let's see how far high it could go. Like,
Yeah.
nah, fam, that's not me.
Right.
I don't need to know that. I'm just trying to get this picture, and I'm good to go. But some people out there is like, nah, son, I'm trying to let me get a picture of this 747 flying by. Like,
Right.
And-
that's just the natural progression of man. Like,
right, motherfucker.
you know what I mean? Like,
this is
you
what they do.
And when
this
you
thing
look,
tells you could do 60. Well, can I get under the hood and make it do
There
80?
you go.
You know
and
what
when
I
you
mean?
watch Angel Has Fallen, you're like, oh wait, what? They
Son.
can do what?
Son, it's
You put small C4 explosives on the small ones.
it's
Bro,
dope.
stop giving people ideas, man.
Yeah,
One-
I didn't do that. I didn't
One
say
of the
that.
things I wish, though,
Allegedly, it can be done.
I wish they didn't make these drones under $1,000 because of exactly what we're talking about.
Yeah.
They
Yeah.
needed to make it not accessible to people. I'm not against making them small but keep them at $1,000, $1,500 so you keep the assholes away.
But
I feel like the assholes will spend whatever.
yeah,
price.
I don't feel like listen,
That's true.
an asshole will spend $2,000 on an AR-15.
I mean, how many
and commit
Mustangs and
mass
M3s
murder.
on the road?
Right, but then I don't want teenagers at 500. A teenager with no gives a fucks that do
Problem is the
teenager
parents.
shit.
Right, but I think that's a rabbit hole that we will go down, and we will start to pin blame on a whole lot of people.